Shashank comments to pledge. Pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are.
All Indians are.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love
my country.
My country. And I am. Proud of.
A
state.
state.
And merit.
Heritage.
I shall always. Try to be.
Worthy of it.
I shall give my parents. Teachers. And all elders. Respect. And treat everyone. With courtesy. To my country. And my people. I pledge. My devotion. India will be. And prosperity. Alone lies. My happiness. Jai Hind.
Happy morning to everyone. My name is VII from VII Cerulean. Today's weather report is brought to you by VII from VII Cerulean. Weather report. Maximum temperature 38 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 34 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny, wind speed 14 km per hour. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. My name is PJS1. Your thought is brought to you by PJS1. Learning today builds and better tomorrow. My thought is again repeating. Learning today builds a better tomorrow. Thank you for our nice day.
Happy morning everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by Sastra. Question for grade 7. What is Canada's national sports?
Canada.
I repeat my question. What is Canada's national sports? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is ice hockey. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. Which type of lens are used in the camera? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is convex lens. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Who was the first female Chief Justice of India? I repeat my question. Who was the first Chief Justice of India? No, you picked the wrong answer. The answer is Fatima Bedi. Question for grade 10. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is Kiran Bedi. Let us appreciate them. Open question number 1. What is the name of the fastest animal on the land? Cheetah. Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is cheetah. Let us appreciate them. Open question number 2. What is the main source of energy for Earth? Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is sun. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Kevino and here is my friend Rahel. Now we are going to do conversation on sports. Hi Venu, how are you? I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sports is cricket. And what about you?
I like football much.
Do you play football every day?
Yes, I will play with my friends every day.
That's great. Sports keep us fit and healthy.
I agree that sports teachers also teach teamwork, discipline and sportsmanship.
Yes, all should play one sport regularly.
Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Raju. Word discipline. Discipline means following rules, behaving well, doing right things at the right time. Friends, please spell after me. Discipline. Discipline. D-I-S-C-I-P-L-I-N-E. Discipline. Discipline. Discipline synonyms. Synonyms. Control, control, regulation, direction, teaching, rule, trying. Thank you.